guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm taking you guys along with me to work, and today we're going to try and get 2 Guinness World Records. So I'm walking around the stunt space now, about to head into the tech booth to get some programming done. Then we're doing a practice run of the stunts, and then hopefully tonight we get 2 new records. Hi guys. Check. We're just doing a little mic check now for the presenters. You ready? No, it looks good.
Take this one.
This up here. Wow, strong man.
We'll go all the way through it. Here we go. The 60 seconds are starting now. Yeah. And also you have to stay within the white line, within the solid.
Vale, te explico. Aquí el set es muy pequeño y entonces para dar toda la vuelta.
Yeah, that's what I thought. He hasn't had enough jelly babies. So if we'd given him more jelly babies, it would have been much easier.
So this circle behind me, they're going for the record. Talk in a minute. These guys are mental. So this circle behind me is for the record of the most donuts on a wet surface. So the current record is 60. And the guys are hoping to get quite a few more than that. But so tonight, when we start the show, we'll have to wet down the surface, and then they're going to absolutely go for it. I think it'd be quite dizzy afterwards. Right now, we've got the guys behind practicing the 2-wheel. So this one, the car's going to go on 2 wheels, and then another car has to drift round it. And it's the amount of drifts that car can get round the 2-wheel car in 1 minute. This stuff's crazy. Is this your job tonight? How wet does it go? Does it just this little layer or a lot?
Evenly moisturized. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same as you did before. Constantly move. You can't stop.
We're just confirming some things with Guinness World Record, because one of the tricky things with the 2-wheel one is the 2-wheel car, if they could stop, the guy can easily donut around, but the car has to constantly be moving. So then to donut around a constantly moving car makes the record even harder. But I have some confidence in the guys. The surface is now wet, ready to be drifted on.
I didn't count how many, but I think it was 30, something like that. Yeah.
We need to check the tyres, so we're going to go drifting.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Thank you. This is not like my Jeep. Oh my god! Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh my god!
How was that?
Ow!
Have you got any respect for
Yeah.
it now?
That's pretty crazy.
That's amazing.
Oh. So we've done our little dry run rehearsal. I've finished programming all the video, light, sound that we need to do. There's quite a lot of cues, but it's quite a simple show really. It should run for about 45 minutes, and hopefully by the end of it we'll be 2 Guinness World Records, closer to our goal of 25 this season. So we now have a few hours. The guys are going to practice a bit more, and we're just going to relax until the main show at 8 o'clock. Now it's the waiting game. And it's almost showtime, so it's about 7 o'clock and the guys are going to have a little practice, and I'm just setting up some radios so we can all talk to each other, and then we're ready to go. Behind me, we're just opening the doors now as the first lot of the audience come through. The audience is now full. 2 minutes until showtime. 2 minutes. Here we go.
Please put your hands together and welcome your host for this evening's event. It's Smart Read. Let's introduce our Guinness World Record accusator for this evening. Introduce today, Stunt! You alright?
I don't think he's ever had an intro like that.
Okay, so this is an official Guinness World Records attempt. Best of luck whenever you're ready.
Okay, best of luck. We're all behind you. Let's go. How are you feeling?
Good. Why do you want another side?
One more time. Give a big round of applause to Kevin and Christian.
They failed the first time, but they're going for round 2. Let's do this.
Give a big round of applause to Kevin and Christian. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be over this side of the arena.
I don't think we did the first record, but we're going for the second one now, which is the most donuts spun on a wet surface.
Tell us about it, Danny.
Okay, so record number 2 is for the most consecutive donut spins in a car on a wet surface.
6-0. How'd you feel?
So I think it would be really hard to do it because wet surface, keep the car in the right spot, so it would be really hard.
Here we go, come on everyone, give him a cheer. How are we feeling? Right, 3, 6. been working hard. And
We're having a little break for the judges to make sure that we actually achieved the world record. So our bike jumpers are giving us a little show.
Now announce, you achieved a grand total in 1 minute of 12! Congratulations on behalf of Guinness World Records. It gives me great pleasure to announce the joint Guinness World Records title holders for the most donut things around the park on 2 wheels in 1 minute was achieved by President Michelle, Christian Garcia, in association with Global Village, Moran Entertainment Design Group. By UAE on the 30th of March 2021. Congratulations!
amazing! They are equal with the world record. Incredible! But from all of us, good night. Thank you.
Thank you guys, great job. Bye. So we managed to achieve 2 new Guinness World Records. Well done to the drivers, they did an amazing job and we made a nice little event out of it, so successful night. Not all events go like this, but this was very smooth. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys next time. Also, quick note, don't forget, if you want to come and see the stunt show, every day except Tuesday, 3 times a night, Global Village. We'll see you there.